I saw hundreds of people using this simple homemade face mask, so I decided to try it myself using egg white and coffee and more. It's packaged with natural ingredients that can help your skin to look smooth, brighten, and more refreshed. It will look more refreshed. It's also the most important part of this also is if you have dark spots, you have acne, you have sun damage, you have chemical damage, you have a dull skin, your skin is not glowing, you are looking for glassy skin, this thing is going to help you, my people. Not for only showing, I will definitely going to apply it for you guys to see the result. The result is going to shock you, so please stay tuned and watch the end, because you need to see how to prepare it and also how to apply it, and the best way when you wash it, what you need to do. That's the most important. So let's start it. Right now I'm starting with my egg. I'm going to remove the egg white. Why I'm starting with egg, I'm just going to talk with about the benefit of egg. So my people, after I break my egg white, let's check and see. Egg is packed with protein, right? So it's giving your skin to give it more tight, to make your skin look more glowy. If you have dark spots, if you have acne, you have a dull skin, your skin is not glowing, this treatment is for you. So after my egg white, the next ingredient that I'm adding is my cornstarch. Well, my cornstarch just left about like 1 tablespoon cornstarch or half tablespoon, so that's why I decided to pour everything inside. So if yours is still you still have a lot of cornstarch, but what you need to do, just take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, is going to be okay for you. So after the cornstarch, our next ingredient is going to be coffee. My queens, let's talk about cornstarch. So now I'm going to add my 1 tablespoon of honey also inside, or a 1 teaspoon honey. So cornstarch also is helping to access the oil from your skin. It's making your skin to feel very soft and smooth. It's very important. Cornstarch is also giving the skin silk. It's very powerful when it's come to a skincare. This type of skincare, even not only your face, you can use it for all your body also. My queens, let's check and see coffee. Coffee is rich with antioxidant, right? It's having antioxidant, and antioxidant is help the skin to look more awake and refreshed. Coffee, it also helps to remove the dead skin cells. So when it means if your skin is sleeping, if your skin, you have a dull skin, you are using coffee, it's going to wake up your skin. It's going to make your skin wake up. Why cornstarch and egg white also will start to brighten it and make it glassy and tight your skin. If your face, you have some hole on your face, you see that dark places, with time is going to tighten it to get more, for you to get more glassy, smooth skin. So this treatment, if you are looking for glassy skin, if you have a dark spot, you have a acne, you have sun damage, you have chemical damage, name it, whatever that you have in your body, and you are not feeling comfortable, you are feeling uncomfortable with that thing, try to use this thing. You are going to thank me later. I saw it. What you need to do, just raw egg white with your coffee, cornstarch and honey. That is all. Those 4 ingredients that you need. But before you do it, I have my face mask, that one I'm showing to you guys. I'm not going to use it just in the sake of this video. I'm holding toilet paper, so the toilet paper that I'm going to use. So maybe if I use my face mask, you guys can say, oh, I wanted to do, but I don't have the face mask. So that's why the face paper, that's why I did not do. If you don't have the toilet paper and you have a kitchen paper also, you can use it, or you can just use normal tissue also to do it. So for me, I usually use my face paper, but the face paper I'm not using it because, as I said, if I use it, some people will find excuse and say, oh, I cannot do it because I cannot find this thing. So you can just use a toilet roll to do this thing. Do it and thank me later. But before you, make sure to wash your face thoroughly. Your face have to be clean. If possible, you can use your washing gel even to wash your face. So my queens, after washing your face, what do you need to do? You have to use your face mask, your treatment. Use it to make a foundation from your face. You know, apply it like the way you see me apply it to your face. And also before that, you catch your tissue or your toilet paper or your kitchen paper, whatever that you are going to use. Or you also, if you have the face tissue, then that one also you can use it. So you use it to place it on your face, and also you continue to do what, to make the treatment on top of it, and see the magic, my people. I did this thing last week. I said no way, I need to bring it here because like I'm adding it in part of my treatments, my morning treatments. Okay, so I say no way, I have to share it with you guys because it's very very good and it's very very powerful. It's not good for me to do it alone without sharing to you guys. But before, all the time, as the way I do, I usually try it. If I see something, I want to try it. If I try it and I like it, then I bring it out. If I try and it's not good for me, it's not good for my skin, no way, I'm not bringing it. I'm not even voicing it. So now, my queens, after finish applying it, what you need to do, you have to sit like 20 to 30 minutes so that your face, it will dry. So let's wait and come back. Now my people, as you guys can see, after this thing I leave it for 20 minutes or 25 minutes even, so it has dry. What you need to do, you have to peel it, whether you peel it or you just use water small inside your face before you remove it. But for me, actually, I'm trying to peel it, but the only thing, I always do mistake because my edges, sometimes it can catch my edges, and I'm growing my hair also, and I'm growing my daughter. That's the things that I'm doing here, so I don't want anything that is going to affect my edges. If I do anything that is going to affect my edges, I don't like it that way. So what I'm going to do, maybe later I will just use water to just use some parts and remove it, and we see how it will go. But after that, even I will go and take shower. But always make sure this treatment, as I say, if you want to use it for the whole body also, make sure to add some quantity. As you can see, the app there is hold my edges, is hold my hair there, and I don't want it that, so I don't want to lose hair. I don't want to lose that hair, so I have to be patient on that. You can see here also, you can see it's also that place also hold my hair. So my people, I'll just be careful when I'm removing it. I don't want to destroy my hair. So let's go and bath and come back. So my people, now I finished bathing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to moisturize my face now. As you guys can see, you can see the difference, huh? So the most important part of this treatment, when you finish, you need to moisturize your face. So I'm not going to leave my face like that. I'm going to use my own vitamin C oil. This one I use carrot and orange peel, dry carrot and dry orange peel that I use to make this oil. Please go and check and learn how to make your own glowing oil. And I have my rose oil also here, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add both into it. But mind you people, when you are going to say, don't say maybe you don't have this oil or you don't have this one, you cannot do any moisturizing cream that you have, the one that you have on your hand, or the oils that you have been using, you can continue using it if you know that oils is good for you. But if that oils or that creams are damaging your face, please, while you are starting using this treatment, you need to stop using that oils or that cream. Okay, so now let's moisturize my face. So beautiful. Please always try to be massaging your face, especially if you have like a dark eye line here. you need to be massaging, or you have some wrinkles on your face, always try to massage your face, okay, while you are moisturizing your face. You need to be massaging. Give you a circle massage, good massage your face. And your neck also, you don't need to forget about it. So that's it. Please try it and let me know how it's going with you. I really love this treatment. Actually, I do it. That was last week. So this week I say no way. Before I will apply this, I have to bring the camera on me and take the video so that others also will learn. My family, my friends, my queens, they also will know what they eat. Basic, the kitchen, basic ingredient from your kitchen. You can just use it. You can just use the basic ingredients from your kitchen to transform your skin tone, or your skin, your sleeping skin, or your dull skin, or your dark spots, your acne, your dark lines, your sun damage, your chemical damages. You can just use ingredients from your kitchen to make instant glowing for yourself. How is it? I love it. I know you guys also love it. I would love to see you guys in our next video. Bye bye for today. Mwah, mwah.